What's guys, Earl here with Tech, and almost every gadget we have nowadays requires an internet connection. From your laptops, smartphones, even appliances, they have to be connected to a Wi-Fi. And it's not enough that you just have a Wi-Fi signal at home. It has to be strong, stable, and if you don't have that, you won't get most from your devices. That's why in most cases, we have to upgrade our home routers because sometimes the ones that provided by our ISP is not enough. TP-Link is one of those brands that are known for their networking devices, and they have something that would solve our Wi-Fi problems at home. The TP-Link Archer AX23 with Wi-Fi 6. Before we go deeper, let's unbox it first. Opening up the box, we are greeted with a quick installation guide, and underneath it, we have the TP-Link Archer AX23 itself. Then right after that, we have the LAN cable and its power adapter. Checking out the router itself, the TP-Link Archer AX23 is one of the coolest looking routers out there. With its futuristic design in black colorway, it looks clean and you will feel proud making it a part of your home decor or a display at your office. The material used in this router is a high-quality polycarbonate material with vents at the top that keeps it cool. It's also got a glossy finish at the top and a mix of a matte finish on the TP-Link logo. Up front, there are LED indicators for power, Ethernet, Wi-Fi protected setup, 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz, and of course, internet, which is helpful as it provides your connection status at a glance. At the back are the 1 gigabit WAN port for connecting to a modem or an Ethernet outlet for you to have an internet connection, 4 gigabit LAN ports for connecting your PC or other wired devices to the router, reset and WPS button, and DC connection for power, along with 4 antennas at the back responsible for scattering the signal around the vicinity. Now, taking a closer look at the features of the TP-Link Archer AX23, this router can support up to 1.8 gigabits Wi-Fi, which means you can enjoy uninterrupted and smooth 4K streaming. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, which is the newest Wi-Fi standard that offers increased bandwidth and stability with the help of the MediaTek chipset. It communicates with your devices more efficiently and it allocates the bandwidth better than other routers in the market, especially your ISP stock modem. Now you might ask, how does the Wi-Fi 6 help the TP-Link Archer AX23 be the modem for you? One of the things that this modem has is OFDMA and DLUL MU MIMO, or upstream downlink, uplink MU MIMO, which helps to allocate more bandwidth which can send and receive information to your devices all at the same time. With this, regardless of how many devices connected on a one Wi-Fi network, you won't feel any network congestion or slowdown. With Wi-Fi 6, you can enjoy speeds of up to 10 gigabits of network speed, making 4K streaming, large file download speed as a breeze, perfect for those people who work at home, kids with online classes, and to creators who need to have reliable and fast internet speeds. And since the TP-Link Archer AX23 is a dual band router, it supports the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands and uses Smart Connect to automatically connect your device to the best band available for optimum connection. In other words, you can expect better signal, uninterrupted wireless connection, and consistent speeds depending on your internet plan. The TP-Link Archer AX23 can also be configured as a router, mesh, or access point. If you want to extend your Wi-Fi coverage at home or in your office, you can do so as it supports one mesh system. What it does is, if you have one mesh compatible Wi-Fi extenders for routers at home like the TP-Link RE330 or the RE505X, your device will automatically connect to the router or extender that offers stable connectivity, which is helpful for those people who have tons of Wi-Fi connected devices at home. Now when it comes to the setup process, it is reasonably straightforward. You can go onto the App Store or Play Store to download the TP-Link Tether app to set it up. To configure, make sure that you are connected to the router. SSID and other informations you need to connect were placed underneath the modem itself. After that, the setup process is easy. Once connected, hop over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Tether app. Once downloaded, open the app and make sure that your local network is open. Sign in or create a TP-Link ID if you haven't already, And once done, tap on the plus icon on the upper right corner, select router, then wireless router, tap on connect hardware, and then follow through the given steps to ensure your connection. After that, you will be asked to key in the stock password for your modem. Next is dynamic type. For the sake of simplicity, we left it at dynamic IP. Also, you will be asked to change the MAC address, but in this video, we will leave it as it is. And lastly, you will be asked to change the Wi-Fi name and password, and you're good to go. In our experience, there is a noticeable difference between our ISP stock modem and the TP-Link Archer AX23. When playing online games, the experience is much smoother and more responsive. Meanwhile, downloading big files and streaming high-res contents feels faster and more stable. We run speedtest.net on our 2021 MacBook Pro with Wi-Fi 6 using the standard modem from our ISP, which has 500 Mbps bandwidth, and we got a speed of 264 Mbps. While running the same test connected on the TP-Link Archer AX23, we get an astounding speed of 416 Mbps, a dramatic improvement over the stock modem that most of us have. Now the question is, should you get this? Based on our experience, we'd say definitely yes. Especially if you're still using an old stock modem from your ISP. The difference is night and day, and you will be able to fully harness the internet speed you subscribe to. The support for Wi-Fi 6 is also a significant improvement, especially if you have newer devices that also supports the new Wi-Fi standard. 4, you will experience a faster and more stable connection. So that's it, guys. What do you guys think about the TP-Link Archer AX23? Are you getting one for yourself? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Narelle, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.